for sale in the Pinching Pesos eBay store, we have Lucy playing the flute. She is part of the Hallmark 2011 Motion and Sounds series, wireless band, her Peanuts. As you can see, we have some of her other characters up for sale, or her other castmates up for sale, but this is for Lucy. You see, when we turn her on, the other band members start to play along with her. It's really cute. And we have her up for sale, and like I said, in our eBay store at Pinching Pesos or at pinchingpesos.com, along individually with her other bandmates.